Hi! Hello world! How many of you didn't know certain things about yourself until you discover them after spending a few hours with a new friend or going on holiday with your family or close ones? Then suddenly you came across a trait that you never know you had. It's like you have to go through new experiences to know how you would respond to them. You need to feel happiness like never before to recognize what it means to you and how much you want it in your life. And sometimes you need to go through the darkest moment in your life. So when they pass, you want to truly welcome the light. Experiences teach us so much about ourselves, and through people we understand who we truly are. Walking through the various who's of living, adventuring, and learning, we truly come to realize what makes us spark, and we learn about us as people. By Ruby Dahl. On the post of Anna, she captioned it saying, I just exude gratitude. I have learned to appreciate myself every day, every gesture, event, genuine people, around and help. I'm at a point in my life where I fully realize how much I own worth. Do you know, I once thought that I didn't deserve happiness. I was continuing every slotty note I spent and I was punishing myself because I think I shouldn't be on myself. I have felt that I have a different opinion. I'm not the good puzzle that fits the whole puzzle. When I started therapy, my whole life changed. Hard lessons are behind me. I face them without fear of the truth about myself, my life, and those around me. It often hurt because something that I considered valuable or considered favorable turned out to be something different. When I stepped out of my comfort and started to see the truth, basically everything changed in my life. There were many goodbyes and closures of chapters. I ended relationships that multidimensionally drained me, taking away who I am really am. I opened my eyes wide. I started to see people through colors and their intentions. As time goes by and hard work on myself, I realize I'm the only person I will be with until the end. One step at a time, I was learning myself again. I understood that I need what I can do, what I want, what my dreams and goals are, what to be means for me, where is my truth, what my values are, and first of all, I love myself the most. Today, I am always in the first place for myself. I allow myself to express my emotions, truth, sensitivity, and who I am without fear of being judged. I'm writing to you as Anna, woman, a human. For me, always and above all, the most important thing is who we are in our being. 1.5 years ago, I gave myself the most beautiful gift, myself. May you have the courage to take this journey despite many unforeseen twists and unforgettable moments. It will turn out to be the most beautiful trust. You have a big check in it, Anna, and it's true as you caption it. Small changes, big effects, step by step to Blondie. Are you ready, guys, for big changes? As to what Anna said, she is also saying, when a woman changes her hair, big changes are coming. The secret of change is to focus all of your energy, not on fighting the old, but on building the new, as Anna quote it, by Socrates. Let's all wait for it then, as I am excited of it, Anna. On your new look hairstyle, yes, it's so cute. And maintain that glowing vibes as you've been obsessed with that hair of yours. On this post of Anna, she captioned it with, I have noticed how much I like to be surrounded by colors. I'm destined to be sick I feel that then my perspective of what's around changed diametrically. There is more power inside me. I smile at myself, a bit as if the bright colors are boosting my energy. I am increasingly convinced that I will turn my current apartment into a big color palette, paintings on the walls, and all possible accessories. I now have a tendency to buy one-of-a-kind plate, or cup, or mug from a place I visit. This will be my unique tableware composition. The only thing I leave muted are the white walls, and to avoid it, my top of the top will always be black, even though it's not a color. But this strong accent bring a lot of positives. I'm sure they are going to get creative. And how do you feel about the colors? Have a beautiful weekend from Anna. Anna is asking us if what would be our idea on her new plan or proposal. Hear this out and comment below about your reaction or suggestion on it.
Now in English. So, when I woke up today, to my mind came an idea that maybe it will be a brilliant idea to start kind of series Morning with Amma. And I'm gonna describe you how it's gonna look like. So each day, maybe not every day, but each day in a week, I'm gonna ask you one question, and I'm gonna give you here the space to answer to this question. And after 24 hours, when I'm gonna have your answers, I'm gonna post them, of course, without your names. And then, and after those 24 hours, I will share with you my thoughts about this subject, about this question that I asked you about. And in purpose, I'm gonna, in purpose, what was that? In purpose, I'm gonna, in purpose, I'm gonna give you 24 hours space, because I don't want none of you to be influenced of my answer, okay? Tell me what's your thoughts about Morning with Amma. I'm so curious about, and I totally feel that it's very, very nice idea. Yes. Let me know here.
Oh yes, super excited on it, Anna, saying keep cross our fingers for the final.
Próbuję dowiązać się z gwiazdami czy start.
True, that it will brought a tear as all of the contestants back all together once again for the final. Here they are. Once again, Simone, happy birthday. Many more birthdays to come. Always enjoy the precious life and wishing you enjoy this blissful special day of yours. Simone is with his boss, Michaela, as they are heading to somewhere.
Boss.
Simone at this polyclinic aesthetic, as he is one of the face of the company, as he do a campaign ad for them, as they give a birthday treat for Simone as a part of their family. Simone is staying now at 01 sa Abel Hotel here in Dubai. This is the first hotel to open under the new Zero brand from Kerzner International, the company behind Atlantis and One and Only Hotels. The brand is centered around the 5 biohacking pillars of fitness, nutrition, recovery, sleep, and mindfulness, and has launched as a direct response to the new normal of self-care. As Dubai's first fitness, Plus Recovery Hotel, it is designed as an immersive lifestyle destination. Integrating cutting-edge fitness equipment and state-of-the-art recovery therapies, it targets sports enthusiasts of all levels and those in need of the ultimate power boost. Simone with DJ Ashwin Tachandra. Simone with his businessman friend Alex. Good morning, Simone. Waking up with this kind of view, you will feel how time really passed by, how technology evolved. But let not feel and think that people grow old, as age is just a number. Hi! Hello, Simone. Hello, Dubai. Let's go, Simone. Breakfast is here. You will surely love Dubai, Simone. Into many aspects, Dubai will many to offer. Rise, rise, sunshine. Ruba attend the prestigious event of their company, a big event of it at Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, the 1001 season of Elie Saab. From the news of Vodj Arabia, as tonight in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, Lebanese couturier Elie Saab staged a spectacular fashion show celebrating 45 years of his maison, held at the venue during the annual Winter Entertainment Festival of Riyadh season 1001 season of Elie Saab showcased a collection of 300 beautiful pieces. The Riyadh Season Collection Fall 2025 was designed exclusively for this event and inspired by the classic Arab tales of 1001 Nights, which were reinterpreted through Saab's distinct vision. With a promise to blend fashion and entertainment, the 1001 season of Elie Saab event brought together Jennifer Lopez, Celine Dion, Camila Cabello, Nancy Ajram, AMR Diab, and Halle Berry for their unforgettable performances, while there are cast of supermodels. On the red carpet, stars spoke to Vodj Arabia about their love for Saab, his creation, and their favorite memories with the brand. Elie Saab's role in putting Arab fashion on the global map is one of the books, as witness the creativity, Arab culture, and star power are the cornerstone of the designer's 45 long years success and his journey to becoming a household name. A round of applause for Elie Saab for a spectacular 45 years. Congratulations to the whole team from top to bottom. And now, Ruba, it's time to go home. Here is a glimpse of how it looked like at the backstage of the 1001 season of Elie Saab, wherein the top management, the celebrity, the supermodels, the whole team do their work in action. And now we see on how they make a fantastic, glamorous fashion event. This is how we look and mesmerize at Ruba how passionate she was at her work. Ruba is now in Barita Anticita in Italy, is a workshop specialized in craft upholstery and wooden and upholstered furniture restoration. Over the last 20 years, the Barita family specialized in acquiring, restoring, and selling original Chesterfield sofas and other upholstered pieces, iconic vintage English models of the 70s and 80s. Directly imported from Great Britain, their warehouse contains a wide variety of tables, cabinets, bedside tables, dressers, chairs of all kinds, and antique doors ranging from the 18th to 20th century. Visiting this place is like taking a journey through time, discovering objects with great stories to tell. Wow! Michele is back on his elegant looks. Oh, it's getting near really. The opening of your business is coming. Uh-huh. Is this real Michele the Snake or it's just a toy? Here is an announcement of Michele about his music. Let's all support him on this career and work of him. Watch this.
What's up, guys? It's Mick here. So I wanted to I wanted to let you know that this year I decided to be more productive in my music career, and this is why I'm here to announce that I'm opening my personal and my first Michele Morrone Music HQ account here on Instagram. So, I mean, if you're a fan of my music, you like what I do, I'll be sharing all the private moments in my studio, the way I work on my music, the way I write my songs, the way I build up the whole process of a song. And I'm super proud of this because, you know, the people that I'm working with, they are they're inspiring me every day, every single day, and I love them to death. And I decided to open this Instagram account again called Michele Morrone Music HQ. So if you're a fan and you love what I do, you like what I do, just follow it. I'm gonna write it down here, and super excited. You know, because this year I will come out with new singles. Actually, the next single is gonna come out very, very soon, and you're gonna freak out because it's amazing. I mean, I love it. So, yeah. And I love you all. Of course, wanted to remind you that, and thank you so much. I know I'm so weird when I do this kind of videos. I swear to God, I've done this video like 15 times, but yeah, this is the message. I love you guys. Bye bye.
As Michele said, welcome to the official Michele Morrone Music Headquarters. Follow for exclusive content of Michele and sneak peek works on the latest update. Here's a glimpse of behind the scene of work of Michele from Dolce & Gabbana. Oh, what is this project of yours? Nice! Cool! Job well done! Just keep it up! Oh, yes, our hair have a big effect on our looks. That is why we have to take care of it. Oh, yeah, isn't it? Our eyebrow too? We understand you, Michele, that at work we can feel tiredness, but later you can take your rest then.
Sì, però comunque poi risolvi quello più facile della finestra.
I'm tired.
Hey, why? What happened? Is it true or you are just kidding? Look at it. Warning, be careful on using a razor.
Ah, ma che cazzo dici?
Il mio obiettivo era quello di spaventarti, ma non è successo.
Perché lo vedo quando ti tagli.
Ah!
Non ci riesci.
Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button. Share this video to others. And please subscribe on my channel, day 321 of the 366 days of 2024. A message to all. I need you to know that healing and hurting often go hand in hand, and that the journey is messy, fluctuating, and often flooded with enough challenges that make you want to give up. But life is beautiful. Experiences lace your path with color, and people, they are the ones that make life worth living. You need to focus on your own time scale rather than on what people are doing with their lives. You need to measure your growth, progress in relation to your previous experiences and struggles instead of other people's success. Everyone's journey is different, that you can accept everything that life brings you. I need you to know that you must direct all your energy towards your mind and soul, with the hope that it will allow some magic to form. I need you to know that you will continue to learn today, tomorrow, and in the days that follow. I need you to know that you will keep learning until you feel wiser, stronger, and more whole. And there is so much that you need to know before you say that you know enough. And even when you say that I know enough, you will keep learning. You will keep going. You will keep growing along the way. By Ruby Dahl.